Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the must-have power tools every DIYer and home improvement enthusiast should have in their toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, the right tools can make all the difference. We'll be showcasing the best options for tackling any project with ease, efficiency, and precision. Let's jump in and power up your toolkit. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, user-friendly electric chainsaw, the WEGOFLY 12-inch electric chainsaw kit packs a punch with a suite of features built for both safety and performance. Equipped with a 12-inch bar and chain, this saw includes a chain kickback brake and handguard, maximizing control and minimizing accidents, especially for new users. You'll find the automatic oiler ensures the chain is always well lubricated for smoother run, longer-lasting cuts. Plus, with toolless tensioning, it's a breeze to keep your chain primed and ready for action. The kit's battery-powered display keeps you in the know on juice levels, so no surprises mid-job, while the high-capacity 2x4.0 hour battery setup delivers hours of operation, ideal for larger jobs. Running at a speedy 16.5 feet per second, this chainsaw rips through branches and logs without bogging down, creating a streamlined, while hassle-free cutting experience that's truly built for productivity. All right, imagine having a tool that turns tricky metalwork into something smooth, precise, and highly professional. Enter the WUKO Bender 6200. This lightweight, ergonomic bender is a go-to for any metalworker or contractor who values speed and accuracy. With its unique angled bending disc, the WUKO Bender 6200 slices through metal bending tasks with a precision that rivals much larger, heavier equipment. Whether you're working with delicate materials prone to spring back or tackling tougher for sheet metals, this tool effortlessly handles it all up to 100 degrees, delivering clean, repeatable results every time. Ideal for roofing, ductwork, and beyond, it combines ease of use with a compact design, making it a powerhouse in any toolkit. Imagine you're on the side of the road with a flat tire. No need to worry if you've got the Wagan Tech East 12-volt roadside impact wrench. This beast of a tool is built to make your life easier, offering up to 258 feet-pounds of torque that'll whip off those stubborn lug nuts with zero hassle. Its powerful 5,000 RPM no-load speed means you'll be back on the road in no time without breaking a sweat. Plug it directly into your 12-volt car outlet, and with a 9.5-foot power cord, you've got the reach you need, whether it's for a car, SUV, or truck. The kit even comes with dual-size double-sided sockets, 17-19 millimeters and 21-23 millimeters, so you're covered for different lug sizes, plus a spare fuse to keep it running smoothly. All of it packs neatly into a tough molded carry case, giving you confidence that this tool is ready whenever you need it. The SDS Plus dust trap is an absolute must-have for anyone serious about clean, efficient drilling. Designed to work seamlessly with all SDS Plus rotary hammers and drill bits up to 8 inches, this dust collection attachment takes worksite cleanliness to the next level. The clear sleeve ensures full visibility, giving you pinpoint accuracy without compromising on dust management. With a remarkable 99% dust collection capability, the SDS Plus dust trap is your answer to minimizing airborne particles, keeping both your workspace and your lungs protected. Plus, it's universally compatible, whether you're using a vacuum or not, making it especially handy for overhead applications where dust control is critical. Stay OSHA compliant and focus on the job with a tool that combines ease of use, adaptability, and superior dust containment, all in one streamlined package. Meet the DeWalt 5-port front and back seat mobile USB PD car charger, a top-tier charging powerhouse designed to keep everyone's devices juiced up during road trips or commutes. With a substantial 72 watts of output, this charger supports 5 devices at once, making it perfect for families or groups. Each port is equipped with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, delivering up to 18 watts of power per device for rapid, efficient charging. Its 6-foot reinforced braided cable provides both reach and durability, seamlessly linking the front and back seats to ensure passengers in all rows have easy access. Whether you're charging tablets, smartphones, or other USB devices, this DeWalt charger has you covered for a hassle-free, high-powered, on-the-go experience. This mobile powerhouse is built for real work on the go, engineered with a rugged, impact-resistant polymer shell and a hefty 250-pound weight capacity. Whether you're rolling it over rough job site terrain or packed workshops, those 10-inch solid rubber wheels keep you steady and mobile. Plus, it's IP65 rated, meaning it can shrug off dust and rain to protect your valuable gear. The modular design is a standout. Side rail attachments and back compartments give you flexible storage options for all those extra tools and parts. And here's the kicker. It seamlessly connects with other Modbox components, so you can build out a storage system that matches your needs perfectly. From durability to adaptability, the Modbox rolling toolbox doesn't just carry your tools, it's built to elevate your entire workflow. The Makita cordless coffee maker brings a whole new level of convenience to your workday or outdoor adventure, transforming your typical coffee break into a fresh brew experience anywhere you need it. Running on Makita's powerful 12-volt max CXT or 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, this compact powerhouse is designed to keep up with your day without plugging into the grid. It's got a unique permanent drip filter, so you don't have to hassle with paper filters. And get this, it brews up to 3 5-ounce cups on just a single charge. It's rugged, lightweight, and protected with a boil-dry safety feature, making it a go-to for anyone on the move, from job sites to campsites. This isn't just a coffee maker. It's a portable brewing station ready to energize your adventures. 18-volt brushless 5-inch cordless random orbit sander, a powerhouse tool that's redefining what a cordless sander can do. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this sander packs a serious punch, offering performance that rivals its corded counterparts. With a 5-inch sanding pad, it's perfect for those who need precision without sacrificing speed or power. Whether you're stripping off old paint or finishing wood to a fine polish. The ergonomic palm grip design feels smooth and solid in hand, giving you full control over every pass. A standout feature is its flexible dust management system, which lets you choose between a dust bag for mobility or a vacuum hose for maximum dust collection, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs happy. And thanks to soft start technology, it powers on gently, preventing any jolts that might throw off your groove. Ideal for both serious pros and ambitious DIYers, the Bosch GX18V5N makes tackling projects easier, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. The Makita MW01G 40V Max XGT microwave oven. This isn't just any portable microwave. It's engineered for serious convenience and power in the most rugged settings, all thanks to Makita's 40V Max XGT battery tech. Picture this, a cordless microwave that offers 2 power levels, 350 watts for efficient heating and 500 watts for quicker, more intense cooking. So, you're ready to warm up lunch at the job site or on a camping trip. The design is built to last, with water and dust resistance, so it's tough enough for outdoor and work environments. Plus, with a spacious 2.1-gallon capacity, you can fit larger meals or multiple servings without a hitch. The tempered glass door not only adds durability, but gives it a sleek, high-quality look. And the precise rotary dial makes controlling heat a breeze. Need to keep your devices charged? It's got a built-in USB port for on-the-go power too. This Makita microwave is more than just a gadget. It's a portable kitchen solution designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. All right, let's talk about the Titon spray roller system, a tool that's absolutely reimagining the painting game. This is not your average roller. It's a two-in-one powerhouse that lets you spray and back roll in a single, efficient move. Think about the time you're saving here. By cutting down on overspray and minimizing prep work, it's designed to deliver a pro-grade finish right out of the box, even if you're new to painting. The system uses standard 9-inch roller covers and connects seamlessly with any airless sprayer and extension pole. So, whether you're painting an entire interior or taking on a rugged exterior, this tool ensures a consistent, smooth application with minimal hassle. The ALLOYMAN 4V Electric Screwdriver Kit is a powerhouse for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner looking for a tool that's efficient, compact, and packed with features. With a maximum torque of 4.5 newton-meters, this little beast handles a surprising range of tasks, from assembling furniture to minor home repairs, with ease. It boasts a speedy 200 RPM, powered by a long-lasting 2,000 mAh lithium battery, ensuring it's ready whenever you are. The kit's 6-bit slide-action changer makes switching between bits a breeze, so you can keep moving without skipping a beat. It even includes a comprehensive set of 37 drill bits for tackling a variety of surfaces and projects. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, making those dark corners easier to handle. While the USB-C charging means you're never far from a quick power-up. Lightweight and super easy to handle, this screwdriver fits right into your toolkit and is ideal for a wide range of everyday needs. What do you think? I'm ready to write up more in this style. Just let me know the other products you've got lined up. This is where the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus cordless swift clean spot cleaner shines. This powerhouse cleaner is designed for quick, convenient cleanups right when you need them. Featuring a motorized scrub brush, it effortlessly loosens dirt while the powerful suction pulls it up, leaving surfaces spotless. It's powered by RYOBI's 18V 1 Plus battery system, so you can say goodbye to cords and hello to true portability. The included 6-ounce RYOBI Oxy cleaning solution tackles tough stains instantly, without the need to mix or dilute, making cleanups a breeze. Perfect for keeping your car, stairs, and home upholstery fresh, this spot cleaner brings RYOBI's reliable power into a compact, grab-and-go tool that's a must-have in every household. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews of must-have power tools and cutting-edge tech gadgets. See you in the next adventure.